Hey, what's up guys, you're back with another video. In this video we are going to be taking a look on how you can create your own trading bot and connect it on Mandala Exchange. So if you are interested in that, make sure to watch the video till the end and let's continue with the video. And for all the people who don't know, this is the fourth video for our weekly series that I have started on how to get started with Mandala Exchange. Make sure to check out this playlist. This playlist will guide you on how you can create your own account, how you can bridge token from one network to another network simply using Mandala Exchange, what are the tradings and what are the different order types that are available on Mandala Exchange, and also how you can lock your MDX token and earn rebate, and as well as reduce your trading fees as low as 0.05%. So if you are interested in that, make sure to check this playlist out. And let's continue with the today's topic. So recently Mandala Exchange announced its first ever algorithmic trading bot integration with Crypto Hero. If you don't know, CryptoHero.ai is a platform where you can simply create different bots and connect it with API key on different exchanges such as Binance, KuCoin, HitBTC, Bitfinex, and also as well as Mandala. So in this way you can create your bots on Crypto Hero and integrate with different API keys on different exchanges. So this is something amazing platform that Mandala Exchange is partnered with. So here they have given a complete guide on how you can create Crypto Hero bot account. To create an account on Crypto Hero, it is really simple. Enter your first name, last name, email address, and make sure to use the same email address that you have registered on Mandala Exchange, as well as enter the password. Repeat the password. Just click on I agree to Mandala terms and condition and just click on login. You will be getting an OTP sent to your registered email, and enter the code. Click on submit and then you're good to go. Your account is created successfully. After creating account and logging in, this will be the first page, that is the dashboard page. It will be showing your daily PNL as well as your statistic over here, and also here you can check out the top bots from here itself. And now let's move on to Mandala Exchange and how you can generate your API key. After signing in on Mandala Exchange account, you have to click on this profile icon. Click on API management and it will be redirecting you to a page where you have to enter the label, that is enter the name for your API key. I will be naming as Crypto Hero bot. You can enter whatever name you want. Just click on create account, and now you have to enter email verification code as well as Google verification code in order to proceed. After adding the code, just click on confirm, and here you can see this, it is successfully created. Here you will be getting API key and private key. Make sure to save your private key, because once you exit this page you will be not getting your private key again. So make sure to save your private key. And now let's get back to the Crypto Hero platform. Here you have to click on this profile icon and click on the setting button, and here you have to visit the exchanges API. As you can see this, I have already connected an exchange, so let me just quickly delete that and again do the procedure. Click on this drop down menu and select Mandala over here. Here you have to enter API key and API secret key. You will be getting it from the Mandala Exchange account, that is this API key. Just copy that API key and paste it over here, and again copy this private key and paste it over here, that is on the API secret. Just click on this add exchange and it will be added successfully. As you can see, this exchange added. Connected exchange, that is one Mandala Exchange account is connected, and the current status for the exchange is fully operational. For example, if the exchanges gets under maintenance, so it will be showing is under maintenance. So for now it is fully functional and fully operational, so it is shown over here. So that is how you can simply connect your API key with Crypto Hero. And now let's get back to the dashboard section, and from here you can check all your daily PNL value that we already discussed. And now let's get to the point where we can create our own trading bots. So from click on this bot section, and from here you can click on this new bot, and you have to select simple or advanced or DCA. For now you have to only select simple, because advanced, DCA and exit plans are paid plans, so you have to purchase that. Simple plans are available for free, and from here you can select the asset that you want to trade with. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB. You can select any of the pair that you want to trade with. And here you can select the strategy. For example, if you want to buy, you have to select long. For example, if you want to sell, then you have to select short strategy. And then you can add the trading parameter, that is fund allocation, base order limit, basic order types. So you can enter this according to your own preferences. Then enter the entries conditions for your trade to be executed. Then enter the exit condition, for example take profit, stop loss, indicator triggers. After doing so, you can also run a back test for your strategy. If just click on run a back test, and it will be running a back test, which is something really cool. And after the back test is successful, it will be showing you the summary over here, and also the trades that it took place on during the back test will be also shown over here. After all these conditions, after you think this is strategy is successful for you, just click on create bot. So that is how simply you can create your own bots. Make sure to also add the balance on the Mandala Exchange account, because without any balance you cannot do any trading. And also, if you don't have any knowledge on how you can create your own bot, go to the discover section. From here there are already lots and lots of strategies that are available that you can select from. For example, USDT APY 277%, that is win to lose ratio is 100%, deal 6. So you can select any of the strategies that you want. Just click on create bot, and it will be creating a new bot for you. And then you can also run a back test for the strategy. As you can see, this win to loss ratio 14s, and it will be showing all the trades that it took place, which is also something really cool, so that you can also analyze your own strategy over here, and then you can simply get started. And also they have a terminal section where you can place your buy or sell order right from here, which is something really great. So this is how you can simply create your API key from Mandala Exchange and connect it with Crypto Hero platform. And also I have forgot to tell you that make sure to click on this drop down menu and select Mandala over here, because this is a paper trading and this is the real API key that you have connected. So make sure to do that. And also, if you want some more information, you can check out the guide from Mandala Exchange itself. This post will help you out on a step-by-step procedure on how you can make your bot and how you can get started with this. So that is something really cool. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel for daily crypto videos. And also I will be making more and more videos on Mandala Exchange continuing this series. So make sure to subscribe to our channel right now and turn on the bell notification. And also do follow Mandala Exchange on all the social medias to get the latest notification. So that is all regarding this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.